This is Free Talk Business 1, Lesson 11 Review, How to Improve at Work. Hey, Takuma, how's everything going with the new project? Hi, Mike. It's going okay, but I'm a little slow. I want to improve my productivity. That's a good goal. What's been the hardest part? I think the tasks are too big. Sometimes I don't know where to start. I see. It can help to split big tasks into smaller ones. Then it's easier to make progress. I'll try that. Also, I'm worried about the deadlines. Don't stress too much. Focus on what's necessary each day. One step at a time. Thanks, Mike. I'll do that. I hope I can finish everything well. You will. Just keep working, and eventually you'll reach your goal. Thanks for the advice. I feel better now. You're welcome, Takuma. Let me know if you need help. Okay, good job.